Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by closing Call of Duty Mobile and any other background apps. Make sure you have at least 3 minutes to complete the preparation steps. Open your file manager with storage access enabled and locate the game config folder. Copy the original config file to a safe folder and name it config backup. DAT. Confirm the backup file size is roughly 50 MB to verify integrity. Keep the backup in a separate directory or cloud storage for extra safety. Open the copied config file using a plain text editor that supports UTF-8. Do not edit binary files or unknown sections to avoid corruption risks. Locate the resolution and sensitivity lines and adjust values carefully. Use specific measures like 1920x 1080 resolution and 50 sensitivity numbers when applicable. Change only the targeted lines and avoid adding extra characters or blank lines. Save your edited file as config custom, DAT, and preserve config backup, DAT in case you must revert changes. Move config custom, DAT into the game config folder and replace the live config file. Set file permissions so the game can read the file without write restrictions. Launch Call of Duty Mobile and allow the game to load fully before testing. Spend about 5 minutes checking controls, resolution, and performance in a practice match or lobby. If any errors or crashes occur, close the game and restore config backup. DAT immediately. Wait 10 minutes and retry edits with smaller incremental changes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.